Let's talk about a law most parents don't know about, the Protection of Pupil Rights Amendment, or PPRA. PPRA is a federal law that gives you the right to opt your child out of school-administered surveys that ask questions about sensitive topics. It also guarantees the right to review and inspect all instructional materials. This is important because of how increasingly intrusive school surveys have become in recent years. If a school wants your child to take a survey that asks about political beliefs, mental health, sex, religion, family life, or income, and that survey is funded by the federal government, they must notify parents before administering the survey and inform you of your right to opt your child out of taking it. If you're not sure if you want your child to take a survey, you have the right to review the survey before it is given to your child, then make your decision. This is often difficult because too many schools wait till the last possible second to notify parents about an upcoming survey, and that's a problem. So what if you decide to opt out? Get written confirmation from your school that they received your opt-out request and have promised to honor it. Ask when surveys will be given and remind your child they are not to take the survey. Even with an opt-out request on file, schools have been known to give the survey anyway. Knowing when invasive and controversial surveys are scheduled will go a long way in ensuring your opt-out is properly administered. PPRA also gives you the right to review classroom curriculum, including textbooks, videos, and digital modules. As is the case in FERPA compliance, which we detailed in our last video, schools do not have to mail or provide you with copies of the material, but they must allow you to come in and view it in person. Many schools tell parents that they can't review the curriculum due to copyright restrictions. We want to make clear this is not true. Copyright is never a justifiable reason to deny parents the right to review instructional materials. But PPRA goes beyond just surveys and curriculum, also giving you the right to opt your child out of any activity that collects personal information for marketing purposes, certain physical exams or screenings not required by law, and surveys that aren't federally funded but ask for sensitive information. Schools are also required to notify parents of these rights every year, but once again, that doesn't mean they always do. On the contrary, most don't, often because school officials don't know about the law, but you can educate them. In addition, unlike opt-outs for sex ed, PPRA opt-outs need to be submitted every year. If your rights under PPRA are violated, notify your district and please let us know at Defending Ed. You're also entitled to file a complaint with the U.S. Department of Education. This law is intended to protect your child's safety and your right to be involved. Now that you know it exists, you can use it to your advantage.